Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes the workstation you bought last year look like a glorified calculator. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was the budget Mac. It was the one you bought when you couldn't afford a Pro, or when you just needed something to run a simple server in your closet. But something fundamental changed in late 2024 with the M4 redesign. And now in 2026, Apple is about to pull the trigger on a device that shouldn't legally exist. We are talking about the Mac Mini M5. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the first time Apple is using a technology they call fusion architecture in a desktop this small. Welcome to Tech Launch. There is a reason the leaks are coming out of the supply chain with such intensity right now. There is a reason professional video editors are holding off on buying the Mac Studio. It's because the M5 Mac Mini is about to destroy the very idea of a budget computer. Think about the sheer audacity of what is happening here. While the rest of the industry is struggling to keep up with power-hungry chips that require massive cooling, Apple is going the other direction. They are shrinking the brain and expanding the power. The M5 chip isn't just another iteration. It is the first consumer chip built on a refined 3nm process that pushes the boundaries of physics. But here is the part that will make you pause. The GPU. The leaks suggest a massive 45% jump in graphics performance over the M4. That isn't just a generational improvement. That is a generational leap. If you are a gamer, a 3D artist, or someone who lives in Final Cut Pro, that 45% is everything. It is the difference between waiting for a render and being finished before you even realize it. However, there is a massive catch. A price hike is looming. Apple is also moving production to places that might change that made in China sticker to something much closer to home. In a historic move, Apple CEO Tim Cook recently confirmed that Mac Mini production is shifting to a massive new facility in Houston, Texas. This Texas factor is part of a $600 billion investment in American manufacturing, and while it brings jobs, it might also push that legendary $599 starting price into the $699 range. Why would Apple put this much power into a box that costs less than an iPhone? To understand that, you have to understand the Apple intelligence endgame. We are moving into an era where AI doesn't happen in the cloud anymore. It happens on your desk. The M5's neural engine is rumored to be 3.5 times faster than the M4. That is not just for Siri. That is for real-time video upscaling, local large language models, and AI-driven coding. Apple wants the Mac Mini M5 to be the AI brain of your home. But can a device this small actually handle the heat? The M4 redesign was tiny, measuring just 5 by 5 inches. If the M5 is 30% more powerful, how does it stay cool? The answer lies in a hidden internal redesign of the thermal pillars. This is a cooling system that almost no one is talking about. It uses high thermal conductivity materials that pull heat away from the silicon faster than any traditional fan could. Let's look at the silicon. The M5 and the M5 Pro are the stars here. The base M5 is expected to feature a 10-core CPU architecture, but with a twist. They are using what engineers call super cores. These are cores optimized specifically for single-threaded bursts. This is the stuff that makes your computer feel snappy when you click an app and it opens instantly. That is the super core at work. The M5 Pro, however, is where the real fusion happens. It is rumored to use a 2.5D packaging technology. This connects the CPU and GPU tiles with speeds we have never seen in a consumer device. We are talking about memory bandwidth exceeding 300 gigabytes per second. To put that in perspective, that is faster than most high-end gaming PCs that cost 3 times as much. This is a total shift in how we think about small computers. This isn't just about speed, though. It's about a complete change in the Apple ecosystem. For years, the Mac Mini was the safe choice. Now, it's the aggressive choice. Apple is betting everything on the M5 chip to prove that desktops don't need to be giant towers anymore. They are proving that the future of computing is invisible. It's a silent box hidden behind your monitor that can edit 8K video without breaking a sweat. The supply chain reports indicate that Apple is doubling down on unified memory. We might see the base model finally move away from lower RAM tiers to accommodate the massive AI processing requirements of the M5. This means your entry-level computer will finally feel like a pro-level machine from day one. Recent benchmarks for the M5 Pro even show it beating the M3 Ultra found in the $4,000 Mac Studio. Let that sink in. A tiny box under $1,000 is now outperforming the flagship workstation from just 2 years ago. But we have to talk about the price. Innovation this big never comes cheap. With the shift in manufacturing to Houston and the cost of the refined 3nm process, the days of the $599 Mac Mini might be coming to an end. However, when you look at the performance per dollar ratio, it still wins. You are getting a machine that rivals the Mac Studio for a fraction of the cost. It's a disruptive move. It's the kind of move that makes competitors nervous. In my opinion, the Mac Mini M5 is the most important product Apple will release this decade. It finally bridges the gap between casual users and hardcore professionals. It is the ultimate sleeper computer. If you have been waiting to upgrade your setup, this is the sign you are looking for. The sheer efficiency of the M5 means you are getting workstation performance without the workstation price, the bulk, or the noise. It is a masterpiece of engineering that fits in your bag. It changes the game for students, developers, and creators alike. This is the peak of Apple Silicon, and we are just beginning to see what it can really do. The Mac Mini M5 isn't just a computer. It's the future of your desk, powered by the most advanced AI chip ever put in a consumer desktop. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and hit the bell icon for all the latest tech updates. The Mac Mini M5, the market killer. By bringing Fusion architecture and 2.5D packaging to a consumer device, Apple has effectively made traditional PC towers and even their own Mac Studio look obsolete for 90% of users. My take is that this is the first true AI PC that doesn't rely on the cloud. If the benchmarks showing it beating an M3 Ultra are accurate, then for under $800, you are buying a decade of relevance. It's the smartest tech investment of 2026.